Hi, I'm Gabor from Conversific. Today I'm gonna tell you how to use your category pages to sell more. The best way to sell more at a higher price is to build a brand and then build trust in that brand. As a general rule, any web page should be designed to meet the requirements of the customer. There are often big differences between your understanding of the product and your potential customer's understanding. By improving personalization, you will increase engagement and reduce your bounce rate back to Google. This in its own right is a positive signal to Google search, positively affecting your category page ranking. How you name your products is critical, and naming must also be reflected within the long-form product description for optimal SEO. Photographs consistency is a crucial aspect of category page communication across all products in your store. The goal is consistency and quality. Use the same camera across the entire category. Be sure to add watermark or logo. Be also consistent with the image after effects. Throughout your website, you need to build trust, including on your category pages. This can be achieved through branding your category pages, providing reviews and testimonials. Short and sweet testimonials with a person's image and star rank is best. Add a link to your shipping and returns policy and highlight how far you will go to keep them happy. A chatbot is always great to see, preferably with a real customer support person that can reassure the customer. Place your brand personality front and center and have USP related to each category. In many cases, customers don't know what they want. To make it easier for the customer, you should name and describe your product in the terms by which your customers are looking or searching for. Again, know your customers. Rename your products if needed. Change your category page SEO to match what Google tells you is efficient. Displaying frequently bought together items is what a product recommendation engine is all about. However, it can also be done manually. Just use Conversific dashboard to see items that are commonly purchased together and create a deals category. A product recommendation selection on your category page makes sense. Conversific can be a great help here with analytics on items frequently purchased together. Creating an efficient category page is best achieved as a forethought rather than an afterthought. Indeed, it should be done while creating a brand's look and feel when defining the brand's personality. Category pages are one of the most important ports of call for your customers, acting as landing pages for product groups and helping them to navigate your store.